Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of Invitrogen by Thermo Scientific. The product is SuperScript Platinum one-step qRT-PCR system. The quantity of 500 reactions. The reference number of this kit is 11732086. This is Invitrogen by Thermo Scientific. Here we can see clearly. SuperScript 3 Platinum. Reels are over there. So here we can see Invitrogen by Thermo Scientific SuperScript. Reference number 11732088. The quantity 500 reactions. Here we can see the expiry date. Manufactured by Biotechnology Corporation from USA. So the origin of the kit is USA. Here we can see the manufacturing address. Store at -25°. So from -15°C to -25°C. The product of USA. Here we can see Invitrogen by manufacturer of Biotechnology. This is a overall front view. In the side we can see the product name Invitrogen. On the back side also we can see the product name. So we can see the total overall 4 sides on the top. I'm going to unpack this. This is a -degree temperature. That's why I'm using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. On the top we can open the kit. After opening we can see clearly. I'm going to take this one by one. Invitrogen, the 2x reaction mix quantity 12.5 ml. The reference number 55177. It is well packed. I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is Invitrogen ROX reference dye, the 500 nanoliters. I'm going to, and next one is Invitrogen 5, a quantity of 1 ml. I'm going to keep this aside. Next one is Invitrogen, a quantity of 1 ml. And next one is Invitrogen SuperScript 3 RT Platinum Taq mix 500 nanoliters. All are packed excellently. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Invitrogen Thermo Scientific SuperScript 3 Platinum one-step qRT-PCR system. Quantity of 500 reactions. The reference number 11732088. We could store at 15°C to -15°C to -25°C. That's why we're using ice pack. This kit contains one Invitrogen 2x reaction mix, a ROX reference 50 mm MgSO4 quantity of 1 ml. The same 50 mm MgSO4 quantity of 1 ml. SuperScript 3 RT 3 Platinum Taq mix 500 nanoliter. This is an overall view of this product. Thank you.